Okay, well, I just want to go on a little adventure into the 55-mile-per-hour winds. So, I'm going to pretend that I really need to take this trash bag out. I'm going to walk to the dumpster. Throw it out. It's 10 o'clock at night. It is 45 degrees below zero. And the wind is blowing at 55 miles per hour. We're gonna go. Here we go. Am I gonna get hit by something? This is like the kind of stuff that makes me think I want to live in Wisconsin. My hands are freaking cold. I seriously hope that nobody's looking out their windows right now. I feel such an idiot. Oh, my hand is frozen on this button. It's really warm in here. Well, that was fun. And actually I got my garbage taken out, which is, you know, an added benefit, so yay.